is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to building razors here this spring. Getting ready for the first adventure of the year, the guys are, but that takes some time and effort in getting all the razors set to go. So we are following back up on the series today, getting these 5 brand new Polaris roll cages ready to go. Brad's pulling up to the shop now. Ovi's here. We're going to catch up with those guys and see what they've been working on. I just grabbed the memory card out of the GoPro. Looks like Ovi's razor. Over here, the cage is finally completed and out for paint. He's got some new stereo equipment coming, some Wake surf boat style marine quality audio system coming for this, along with the cool Tesla dash there. Gonna be absolutely epic. Brady just showed up.
We're here.
We're here, buddy. I was just telling him, I grabbed the memory card. I know you've been putting in work on the camera.
Oh yeah.
You gotta keep the guys going because nobody else will grab the sucker.
Trying. We've been setting it up a lot. Got some time lapse going.
Yeah, the last one was super sick, guys. If you didn't check it out, make sure you go back and see that one. The cage is gone. This one is, right?
That should be picked up from powder coat today.
Awesome. So they'll get to see that in the next one.
Yep.
How many days did you have in that sucker? Getting that ready? Bunch of time.
We built 3 cages and a bumper plus all the panels in 40 days, about a month.
Yep, and less than 50 to go, or around 50 now?
I think we're at 48 till the trip. So.
48, and where are you going again?
Indiana, Badlands.
Badlands, so we did a video last year when you guys were out there. If they want to meet you out there, I think they should. You know, if you guys
100%.
got a trip coming up, you might want to link up with Ovi and Brady and everybody down there because you guys kill it when you get out there.
Oh yeah.
And just have a killer time. So,
oh yeah, we have a good one.
Yep, so guys, get out there if you want, but we are going to catch up on some projects, and we got a goodie box I want to show you. So let's get Ovi and let's get going. All right, we are in the shop here, and this sucker is up on the lift today. I don't know what's going on, why you got it up on the lift here.
No reason at all.
Really?
Oh, we just put it up on the lift.
It looks good on the lift, actually.
Yeah, I think they were trying to clean the floors yesterday, so they threw it up top. And
oh, okay.
Was all the way up, and then we had to measure some stuff. So.
Well, if this is your first time on the channel, this is Brad's razor here, and you've done a lot of custom work to this over time, right? What is all different about this?
Oh, on this one, obviously we got a cage. This is the second bumper Ovi's made, and this one actually needs modified because we keep making them too low. So
okay.
These little spikes here, every time I go up a rock or a hill, they start digging in, so we've already chopped where they connect. We basically got to rebuild those and start fresh and make a little tweak to make it work. So.
Yeah, because you don't ride them very easily. You know, these things get rode. That's what people need to understand. They're built to ride. They're not pavement princesses by any means.
Yeah, if you ask some guys, I don't ride very hard, but I don't really care, you know.
And there's a kid that works for me that he don't even take his off in the snow or the salt, and it's garage kept, and it's like, I don't think that's what they make these for, but I could be wrong.
Yeah, hey, it's all about what you're about, really. I mean, do what you got to do.
Yeah,
you spent the money, so you.
That's right.
They're how you're going to.
They're definitely not cheap by any means. And this one's missing the hood over there. Is that cage done finally, or?
So that one's ready to go to powder. Hopefully, when we trip to powder today to pick up Ovi's bumper, roof panels, doors, all that stuff, we can take that one, drop it off. By next weekend, that should be done, and this one should be done.
Okay, and that had some new doors I noticed in the last video.
Yep, so he went with full metal doors instead of the plastic ones, so we took the skins off of those. He's gonna paint match it this gray.
The doors are gonna match?
Yeah, so he's gonna match, so basically this whole side will be this gray, and then he's going the pretty slick bronze color for a cage, bumper, front and rear bumper, so those are all getting sent out. And then roof panels, he hasn't decided what he's gonna do with that yet, but he'll have roof panels over top of them. And
awesome.
Yeah. Yeah,
this thing's gonna be killer. And why's he got the 4-seater?
He's got kids.
Yeah, they go too?
Yeah, for the most part.
Yeah, that's awesome. I think that's the one I'm gonna need.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
This is.
You gotta take the whole fam.
Oh yeah.
Yep, that's more my speed, but this cracks me up being on here. It was in a box truck the other day. What's up with that?
I don't know. I showed up and I couldn't find it, and then they said it was somewhere in the shop, and there was a box truck in the middle of the shop, so I said, it's in that box truck, isn't it? Yep, there it was.
I wish we got a clip of that. That is just epic.
I think there's a video floating around.
Yeah, we're going to have to get a copy of that.
Yeah.
I love it. Well, good work on the updates. Make sure you keep grabbing the camera and getting these time lapses for the reassembly, because people love to see that. Otherwise, it's just me talking, and that gets old quick.
Hey, whatever works.
That's right. That's
Keep
right.
doing it.
All right, well, we got a special box to open. Let's go check that sucker out and see what we got. Oh, so we are back, and it looks like Ove's having pizza. Well, GoPro pizza. That looks awesome. Look at the new backsplash. I don't think that was on the last one. And the light-up countertop. Boy, that is hot with the OTD on there. But we got a new box here. It looks like, oh, from our good buddies down at Load Trail. Love my new trailer. I really do. They're not paying me to say it. You know, it looks sweet, brand new off the lot. Really proud of that trailer. By the way, if you guys ever need it, just take it, okay?
Oh, us?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. I told Ove too. Yeah, you got a gooseneck ball, just throw that sucker on there. It's everybody's. So anyways, they sent us a box that's supposedly a t-shirt. Now when I got it to the house, it looked like it's more than a t-shirt, so I kind of wanted to open it just in case there's like a goodie for the guys down here. Let's see what they sent us in that bad boy. But
yeah,
boy,
bubble wrap.
Yeah, they ain't got to do all
t-shirts.
that. Yeah, oh boy. Oh my God. What in the world?
That ain't no t-shirt.
I don't know what's going on. Why do they do this, man? These guys are way too nice. Oh my, is that a real plate? Oh yeah, wow, Load Trail trailer. That is sick. I actually love that. We'll have to throw that on like new builds and stuff when we drive around.
Should.
Yeah, or hang it up somewhere if we got somewhere nice. But there's a lot of stuff in there. There's a shirt in there though. Yeah.
We got a couple shirts.
What in the world?
1, 2, sweatshirt.
Holy cow.
I got you.
Yeah. What size? That gonna fit you?
That's an XL. She ain't fitting.
She ain't fitting. She'll fit me great. Yeah. Oh, it's a long sleeve?
Oh, yeah.
Shoot. Ove, where's Ove? He gotta get up here and get a shirt, man. Come on. He's sending out invoices. He's trying to get paid in this sucker, so.
Aren't we all, you know?
You know, that's part of the game, but what in the
world?
world?
Here.
What is that sucker?
A knife?
What?
Screwdriver?
Holy cow, they must know we work for a living.
Yeah, that's what you need.
Oh, that's sweet right there. Oh yeah, you're gonna have to throw that in the truck or something. Yeah, you're gonna need that. You go ahead and keep that sucker. That is a beauty right there, man. Nice little koozie. What was that on the back? Magnetic. What's going on, dude? We got all kinds of stuff. Look at this. Oh my gosh, right on the
koozie?
I guess it's gonna stay right there. That is perfect. Wow. What is going on?
They loaded you up.
What in the world is this? Another mug. Boy,
Load Trail.
I'm gonna have to put that one next to the blessed one. Holy cow.
Nice sucking hole right there.
Yeah. Look at that. They sent a long sleeve shirt over. Can you believe it?
Long sleeves?
Yeah. Look
There
at
you go.
that. Yeah, that's perfect.
Big ass Joe. Big coffee guy? Oh, it's water cup.
Is it? Open
Hot
that sucker
coffee,
up.
never mind.
What in there? Hot coffee? Oh, there's a coffee maker right over there.
Shoot.
That got Load Trail on it too?
Of course.
Oh my gosh. What is going on? This is insane. I can't believe people actually like us.
Hey,
you
must be doing something right.
That's what I'm saying.
Shoot.
What is it?
Signing checks again.
Oh yes. Hand it to the man. Just hand it to him.
You can sign my first bonus.
Oh yes, that is perfect. He's gonna sign them. Yep.
He started filling up the cup.
Oh well, yeah, he's got to. Yeah. Lord knows we gotta have our stuff.
Load Trail hat.
That is sweet.
Nice.
Oh, that's
nice.
nice.
It's kind of like a little.
Yeah, got kind of a mesh deal.
Like what is that?
That's
brand?
athletic.
Yeah, that's like a.
That's like a golfing
golf
hat.
hat.
That's what I couldn't think of it, but yeah, I got you.
Another one. That one's
Oh, look
slick.
at that with the Texas on there.
I'm gonna have to snag that one.
Yeah, that one's yours. Yeah, that's perfect. Look at that.
For all my golf.
He needs a new hat too. Look at that hat.
Don't worry, we got 3. Look at
Oh, dude,
that.
perfect with the camo on there. Let him pick one. He can pick whatever one he wants.
Oh,
boy.
what hat you want? You can pick later.
Yeah. He's still signing checks. What?
Blazing Summer Peach.
What is that? Hot sauce or what is that? Maybe it's made out of trailer grease.
Hot sauce.
Yeah, you better send that over to the other shop with the grill set up.
Yeah, we'll try something with that.
Yeah, we're gonna have to send that on. You want hot sauce? Yeah, you're gonna have to try that. Yeah, blazing hot.
Little keychain.
Oh, there you go.
Can't beat that.
No, not at all.
Hey, we're gonna have to extend this video.
I know, I thought it was just one, dang sure. Now we got it all.
It's like some workout attire. Got a hood on it.
Are you kidding me?
Hooded long sleeve.
Oh shoot, I'm gonna have to get back in shape.
Yeah?
Yeah. Well,
Give me reasons to.
Yeah, no kidding.
Got a hoodie?
Man, I like that color too. That's not a working one, that's a nice one.
Well, American
look,
flag with trailers on the back.
With the trailers, unbelievable. You guys, I almost feel like I'm not worthy of all this greatness.
Oh, this is kind of a lot. Then it looks like, I'm gonna say, yeah, I'll just unwrap it, why not?
Yeah, it looks kind of like the same deal. Load trail, thank you. No, thank you guys, jeez. They got us way hooked up here. Oh man, yeah, that's perfect right there.
Slick little t-shirt.
Wow, boy, we got more than enough to go around. These guys are awesome, man. You guys are gonna have to get on Load Trail right away and check them out because
yeah, for sure.
Unbelievable. We are beyond grateful for this stuff, man. Then we'll get our coffee going here. New cup, got the koozie. We got it all. Epic. The guys just look Load Trail official out here. They love it. What a haul.
It's good.
Yeah, so what's the plan for the afternoon? Gonna go pick up Ovi's cage?
I might go look at a new trailer. You ain't get done.
You ain't lying. Hit them up, man, for sure. But gonna get the cage back from paint.
Gonna get cage back from paint, bumpers. We're gonna have Ovi's fully assembled.
And you got some new stereo equipment coming too, don't you?
Yeah. Well, I mean, besides the accessories, we're gonna have her together.
I want to hear them things knock. You got some serious audio equipment over there. You know, but you gotta have
Dumb
it.
Kids.
Oh yeah, he didn't like your screen either, did he? The Tesla screen. What's wrong with that?
I don't think I'm a big fan of it.
Come on, man, I love it. That thing is super epic. Yeah. It's just it's whatever your taste is.
Yeah, you know, it's his buggy. He builds it how he is.
Yeah. Put that sucker in. Put it in all of them. And what just got said there? He sold the truck, the 6-liter.
He sold the 6-liter.
No!
I was supposed to buy it. He sold it.
No, I was supposed to buy it. Everybody wants the dang thing. We're gonna have to drive the price up. Tell that guy to come up a couple grand because we both want it.
Because I'm already up a couple grand.
Yeah, tell him you got 2 people here right now ready to buy it.
We're gonna have that thing at 20 grand by the time we leave.
You ain't lying. See how we do that? As long as he don't watch the videos. Does he watch the videos?
Maybe.
Oh God.
Well, okay, make sure he signs the check first.
That's right. That's right. Well, I'm gonna let these guys go because they got a lot of work to do. Thank you guys again for everything. Thank you, Load Trail. This was a super epic haul. Very, very happy and thankful for you guys. Check them out online, and we will see you guys during the reassembly process here. So excited. And we'll let you guys go. Stick around. You want to shoot them with an outro. What's your best outro?
Oh, I mean, we got a big year coming up, so just stay with us. And yeah, I'm tired of working, so this would be a lot cooler if I could do this.
Yeah, you and me both, buddy. All right, we'll see you guys in the next video then.
We'll see you.
All right, peace.